Oh God. So guys, I'm here. This is my maybe first or second or third time being live on YouTube. I'm at home now. This is a family house. I don't know if you can hear me clear. Okay, one person just joined me. I did not announce it, but I just wanted to make sure I see how it felt to know if I have more people here. Anyway, let me wait a bit to see if more people is gonna join. I want to know if we can maybe be up to 5 or 10 or 15. We discuss live market analysis. If you want as many questions, I'm also free to answer you. But the channel is growing. We have almost 4,000 plus, 4,209 subscribers. Wow, that is massive. I mean, we didn't buy the subscribers. They came natural. And the way the channel is growing, maybe by the end of this month, we may get up to 5,000 or 6,000 subscribers. These organic people. Imagine your community, you have people like that, you know that, it's growing. And if you push further, we may get up to 10,000, 100,000 subscribers, maybe in no time. You know how the subscribers works. If your number is increasing, it can increase very fast. You know what I mean? So, somebody say, good day, Emmanuel in Canada. Okay. So, I'm currently at home now. Okay, let me give myself some time to see. I didn't announce this. I just wanted to play around my channel to see what is up to. How, if, you're gonna work. Someone said 10K this month. Good evening, sir, from Nigeria. Yeah, somebody said from Nigeria. Tell me, sir, I have people from different parts of the world joining me now. I have somebody from Canada, somebody from Nigeria. Somebody said 10K this month. Okay, I don't know what you mean by 10K this month. Okay, we have 8 persons that are already connected now. I'm at home. I work almost around the clock. Okay, we'll do something tonight. We can do live analysis. Those of us that want to make money. So one thing you enjoy from me here is that I will be teaching you factors that can make you get money, because that's my own area. My own area is to help people make money and also make my own money. You know what I mean? So, okay, somebody says 10K subscribers. Yeah, it's possible we could hit 10K subscribers. Very much possible. Yeah, it's possible. I think YouTube is becoming a very massive marketplace. I think it's becoming very powerful. I don't know whether I would say it's growing faster than WhatsApp or than Instagram. YouTube marketplace now is big. It wasn't like that before, but YouTube is something else these days. I remember those days, if you post something on YouTube, nobody even care about it. Now YouTube is coming. People can sit now on their set system, even on their houses, go to your TV, their smart TV, and go to YouTube and start watching stuff. So it's becoming a very big marketplace. So we can discuss about market analysis, or we could discuss maybe another thing that has to do with my market structure. And I can also be here to be giving you more value on the other side of it. Like if there's anything serious you need to know about the market, once I'm on internet, I have to tell you the truth. You need to know about the investment, you need to know about finance, you need to know about entertainment. I can be able to give you those value. You know what I mean? Somebody say, how are you enjoying your stay in there? I'm not registered in the UK, so I have different locations. I stay in the UK, I stay outside the UK, I stay in Nigeria. Somebody say, good evening, sir, Uche. I want to pay for 1 month mentorship. Is that possible? Yeah, you can pay for 1 month mentorship. It's about $170. Or send us in WhatsApp. Is there a way I can put our WhatsApp number here? Somebody's asking, putting Tupac. Unlike WhatsApp, unlike Instagram, I can write something. I don't think I can write something. I could have written something. So send us message on WhatsApp, or let me call the WhatsApp for you. I don't have it here. Let me know if I can get it. Where is that WhatsApp number? There's a design I have today. Let me check here. There was a design I had today that has a WhatsApp number. If you send us a WhatsApp number, wait. Okay, let me check the website. Let me check our website. I'll get it on the website. I'll get it on the website. Yeah, send are you from Nigeria? Apollo Singer. If you are from, okay, maybe just send the foreign WhatsApp number. It's more active. You get more response as soon as possible than Nigeria. In fact, you get like almost 247 response. Send to +44. Are you writing it down? +44 7445 5683. Sorry, let me call it again. I'm so sorry. You send to +44 7443. I am based in Nigeria. We also have office in the UK. We have office in Dubai. So I move on to these 3 countries. Yeah. Send to +44 74455 68937. Yeah. Send a WhatsApp there. +44 74455 68937. 68937. I think I'm very much loud. Then we have what we call automation. Automation on a trading platform that allow you make profit. It is designed for investors, not for traders. Or if you're a trader, you're a struggling trader, you're not making good profit, you can use automation. Automated platform, highly regulated. All you have to do is to open an account and deposit money, and a trader manage risk for you. Then you also end up having your profit. It's also designed to hedge with gold because it's not a retail brokerage services. So a system that allows real gold hedging. It's not a system that you come in and your capital is lost to zero. No, it's not possible. Because it's a multi-asset management or trading company that uses automation and digital platform that combine derivative and spot together. And it is hedged with physical gold bars to offset risk and also increase returns. So do you understand? So it's designed for high net worth individuals, designed for investors, and designed for struggling traders. Why do I say that? Because if you're a trader, you're already doing well for yourself. It will not be for you. You could just continue. This one is designed for those who are struggling. Then you can use them to make profit while you are learning. Or if you're not a full-time trader, use automation to do the business while you focus on other stuff and you increase in your capacity in your finance. Because the goal is to make money. It's not to make excuses or whatever. Once you're making money, you don't have a problem. You know what I mean? Yeah. Let me give us more time. And then the number keep going off and on. We're almost like 19 now. Now we have reduced to 3. But let's keep pushing. I may be here for maybe approximately maybe 30 minutes if the number is still coming up. We have spent 9 minutes now, and we have spoken to more people. 2 people have liked this page. Somebody says, yes, I'm in Nigeria. But did you get the number? Apollo Singer. And I have a culture. If you register when I'm on live, I give you discount. So I'm going to give you 10% discount. If you register immediately, any day I'm on live, whether I'm on Instagram live, I go more on Instagram live more than YouTube live. But I think I'll have to be coming on YouTube live now. Guys, do you support us? Should be maintaining live YouTube? So I will go and get outlines. The event, what will be happening on YouTube. Because we must keep you guys going. 4,000 people is not a joke. And which has capacity to increase. So we cannot have 10,000 followers and also be like remain dormant. Yeah. Somebody say, what is the least amount I can start with automatic? Yeah, I can start with $100 account. Remember, it's not a Ponzi scheme. Oh, Chukuka Owoma. It's not a Ponzi scheme. So I know that our country has been hit with Ponzi. In fact, it has messed into investor psychology. That's what they think now. Business is all about Ponzi. This is automated trading system that generates profit automatically and manages risk. Is designed mostly for investors, high net worth individuals, and big struggling traders who cannot be able to do it by themselves. They use automation, and that's how it works generally. Some of Instagram is better on a live, sir. Yeah, I've been on Instagram. This is my other second time being on YouTube live. I'm just trying to engage YouTube guys because of the number is increasing every day. Hi, good evening from Nigeria, boss. Okay, one called the more below. So you know that we're having a boot camp that's going on. We started April last month. We started again this month, and with $10 ticket, you can join me live and trade with me for 1 month. Our target profit is 1,000 pip, and our target profit in cash is $10,000 to $100,000. This month we have gotten this 572 pips, almost like half of our monthly target. And today is 7th, so we have not even gone half of the month. We are already hitting 50% of our target. Last month, we targeted the same 1,000 pips, and we got 4,211 pips. So more than our 1 month target. And a lot of them, because of that, roll over and join us again on May boot camp. So if you're a trader, you have experience in trading, but you want to build a strategy or you want to connect with other traders, being in our boot camp is one of the best decisions you could make to allow you to trade together with me for 1 month. This is not training, it's trading. So if you so when we come in, we go into trading. So if you have not done training, you have to register for proper training and mentorship, and they're able to enroll. You know what I mean? When you become a good trader, it will help you to start enrolling on bootcamp, conferences, webinars, and stuff like that, where you grow your psychology, your trading capacity. You know what I mean? So let me know if you have a question. So guys, how did you guys hear about me before? Is it on internet, or we met in person, or something like that? So let me know. Today we are buying gold. We bought gold today, but we have not gained. We also bought oil. We have not gained the oil, but we're hoping to get it. Somebody say on the blog, I was searching online the best trader in Nigeria. Wow. Somebody say, then I saw your name listed. That's that energy. Yeah, I'm one of the best traders in Africa. One of the best. Yeah, I'm one of the best. I don't make too much noise, but I think I'm good. And I'm also one of the most educated trader. Not just by traditional, both traditional education and educated trader in terms of finance. Yeah. I have about 3 degrees, and I have a master degree at law and international business, and I'm also pushing PhD. Then I came to see videos on YouTube. Oh, it was Instagram I know about you. Some say, I like your crabs on fundamental. I don't know why I laugh, or you say you like it. Is that me telling you don't know that I'm giving something valuable? Yeah, it happens a lot. It happens a lot, and that is one key you need for growth. The day you think you have arrived, that's the day you start falling. So I always believe that I'm not giving it better. I will try to do better. The more I keep doing it better, the more people keep telling me that my own is the best. Because I would say, where I'm doing better, I've already seen someone else. I believe the person is doing more better than me. So let me improve. Like for example, I'm not good in branding. I'm too real. I'm too natural. I'm not good in forming like packaging. No, I'm not good at that. So I had a brand manager before when I was active in entertainment. I have a record label. So my brand managers, they're the one that used to be like, they like packaging, but I like simple life. I like where I can even be in a bus, go where I want to go and come back. So nobody will I don't want to draw a lot of energy towards me. But that's, by the way, it helps me when I want to make analysis. I try to make it as simple as ABCD. And I did philosophy. One of my degrees was philosophy. In philosophy, I didn't just study because of the opportunity. I wanted to be a philosopher. I want to understand how it works. So when you are analyzing something to people, it has to be simple. In philosophy, it's even like an offense when you analyze something using some certain vague languages that look big. Your definition of terms must be simple. So you won't use one definition to make another definition. So you commit a fallacy. Do you understand? When you make a definition, use it to define definition. No, it must be simple. You must separate things one after another for somebody to understand it. That's one law in philosophy. So now, when you're telling me something, it must be like real. You separate it, I will understand it properly. So when I want to tell you something, I'm also make it as simple as ABCD. It's called fallacy of tautology, I think, yeah. Using something to define something. Are you not the loud? Are you not okay? Yeah, and you're not that loud about it. No. I trade under companies, so I don't need to stress myself on being loud. So people that are loud, they're always empty. That's the truth. So if you understand reality properly, ontologically, you know that empty drums make loud. They make too much loud. Drums that are big, that are thick, loaded, does not make loud. They don't make noise. I'm telling you on reality. Even when I'm teaching in our office in Ikoyi, people that disturb us a lot, traders, they can only deposit $100 or $200. The people that are giving us big money, they'll just come to our office. I'm just doing like this. They don't talk. Sometimes we neglect them, paying attention to people that are making loud, trying to show themselves. If you see how they make analysis, they make it perfectly. Only for the person to just say, can I talk to you, Mr. Uche? Yeah, be doing well. I just want to open an account. I have something. So, you think the person is begging you for transport, only for you to say, I have $200,000. Then you look at him. You see that man, 200,000. That is how they behave. And those people, they hardly ask questions. They will come to your event. They pay you for training. They just want you to be talking. They're just busy looking at you. They don't ask questions. Now, when they come to open an account, I'm funded. You see somebody that put $500,000. You're not even among the top 10 people that were making noise asking you questions. That's why, in reality, empty drums don't make noise. They make more noise. Yeah, you see, the other guys know they're so quiet. Only for you to discover that the people that are pulling volume in your business, it's the same thing I'm telling you now, even in reality here. People that are giving us money to trade does not come on our life. I'm not saying you can't give us money. So don't get me wrong. But they don't come on our life. They don't even join the Zoom meeting. They don't even call on phone. They have dropped the money. They have disappeared. What's the why, my brother? How you doing? I'm so busy, my brother. Hey, how's business? Yeah. Don't worry. I'm in Canada now. I'm busy. I want to come back. They have disappeared. As I said, this bond doesn't see. So that is the reality. Somebody said hi. How do you manage emotions when you trade? No. I'm emotionless. I don't have emotion. How I manage it is this. You do a plan. You have what is called business plan or investment plan. It helps you. You know what I mean? Having a business plan or investment plan helps you. So if you're under a company give you a plan, an investment plan, or business or trading plan, no matter what you call it, we call it mostly investment plan or portfolio management plan. They're not giving you your emotion. So if they tell you, look at what you're expecting on this portfolio, look at what you're expecting on this, that's what you have to be following. Whether the market is good or bad, you have to follow it. However, when you make good profit, fine, your supervisor or your manager will clap up for you. Of course, give you gift as the best performing portfolio manager of the year or of the month, fine. But you have to follow their plan. If you're not following their plan, then you become a very concerned person for them. Planning in the sense that if you are taking much risk, Even if you meet up target or exceed expectation, but they be somehow careful with you because they will classify you as a high risk staff, and they may end up losing your contract. On that note, nothing like emotion. Then the same way on your own side as a trader, you need a plan. I have one here. Today when I was on boot camp with some students, some traders rather, I shared some of the plan with them. One person asked me the same question. Asked, do you have a plan? He said he doesn't have a plan. Plan helps you to succeed. It helps you to be on the track. So at the end of the day, that plan can subdue your emotions, because you already know your risk management plan. The plan will give you, let's say, account of $1,000 or account of $10,000 or $100,000. Before you go into investing it, you have already drawn a plan how much it will yield at the end of your investment, because trading is mathematical in nature. If I'm going to make 30%, it's already calculated 30%. So automatically I have to generate 30%. So if I'm going to make 100%, the plan will already, you will see it on the plan. This portfolio from this market is going to hit 100%. Then on the risk part, you also put the risk, assuming we're not able to hit this 100% in a year or in a month or in a quarter. The market goes against us or investment didn't work. This is the risk, maximum risk we can take on the account. So it's already there. A well-defined plan helps to reduce the emotions. Then, but now you now started investing on that particular asset class. Let's say some of you use forex trading. I'm not a forex trader. I don't trade forex like that. I focus more on commodities, and I don't trade off. All my account or execution are not done on leverage product. I trade on futures and spot. Doesn't have leverage, and I trade some on leverage. So now, before you go into those asset classes to invest, three things you have to do, or two major things you have to do, is to make a research first about that particular instrument. Then you now make analysis. Sometimes you may not do it by yourself. There are already established well professional people that does research to make a research for you on oil. After making research for you on oil, they send their report to you for analysis. You can analyze it and discover, okay, oil price is going to go up this month or this year or this quarter, or it will crash. So if it's going to go up, let us invest, and you end up coming out profitable. They can make a research for you, maybe if it's on forex, on the instruments you are trading. For example, when you want to understand the forex market, you have to understand the economies of the countries you are trading on. It's as simple as that. So let's say you are trading within, okay, let me use the popular ones, euro and dollar. That's euro USD. You have to understand, make a research within the Eurozone. How is the economy like? Not how is the currency like, how is the economy? Because what gives you money is not on this platform. This thing I'm showing you here is not where money comes from. Money comes from the real world. Yeah. So this is like a mirror of what is happening. So then you also make a research on the United States, because there are two currencies you're trading the economy. There are three economies you're trading their currencies. So when you make your research, you consider more of economic outlook, the overall outlook of the United States, overall outlook of the EU. Then if you have good experience in data analysis, you can use data analysis to draw your conclusion and arrive at an answer. That answer now will show you whether European economy is stronger than US economy, or will be stronger than US economy, or is going stronger, no matter. So you can have three probable answers. Either is currently strong, or will be in the future strong, or is stronger, will be stronger. Yeah, let's say two. Either is currently stronger, or is going to be strong in the future than the US economy. Or you can discover that either the US economy will be stronger or is stronger than the European economy. So if any of them, the one economy is stronger than the other one, if you come to their pair will be one side of the market buying and sell. One side will be dominant more than the other one. For example, let's say if United States economy will be stronger than the euro, so on their pair there will be more sell, more bearish trend on a long run than the euro. It's as simple as that. So that's what big guys don't speculate. Big companies don't speculate. Big hedge fund portfolio manager don't speculate. They have to do a thorough research, try to decide whether they should invest in this economy or not. And they can invest for 3 months, 6 months, because those research can tell them this quarter, this economy perform well. So they may buy Euro USD for 3 months, for 1 month, or for 2 months. It will keep going. It can go down to 1,000 pip, 2,000 pip. Remember, even as it's going like that, it will still be going, the market goes like a wave. But at the end, one side control it more than the other side. So they focus on one side that matters more. And remember, some of them too don't buy and sell. Some of them, the market they operate only allow buying. They don't sell. But even at that, on the trading on CFD, where we can buy and sell, we can focus on one area and come out successful. I think I'm making sense. So let me know if you have a question. I'll spend 26 minutes with you guys. I'm impressed that I have almost like, we got up to 20% now. So we'll be announcing it more. When we start announcing it more, we'll be seeing like 200 people, 300 people joining us. So either I'll be coming live every day. I'll be coming live here. I will try to check my schedule if I can arrange my timetable. Even when I'm maybe in a busy place, it will not be live on talking to you. I mean, just like be sharing some of the lifestyle with you to keep you engaging. Yeah. So how do you calculate your risk? The risk is based on plan. For example, if I have a portfolio of $10,000, I will try to know the objective of that investor. If that investor objective is a long-term goal, short-term goal, and he's risk tolerant, some portfolio can be on 2% risk, or what we consider medium average risk. So if it's on medium risk, then we can know maybe we can have about 10% risk, 8%, or maximum 15%. So that thing now is how we can use to calculate our risk. But even if it's my own money, I use the same formula. There's some fund that can want to take high risk, low risk, or medium risk. I calculate my risk on it. So if I'm taking a high risk on it, of course, my risk could be my volume could be higher, and my investment will be a bit higher. And of course, I will expect more return. But at the end of the day, what we consider the same potential entrance that will give us more money. If I teach you trading and you lose, you don't have to trade again. Know that you won't understand it again. Yeah. Or if I mentor you, you lose, forget it. My friend didn't do well. I told him to stop, and he stopped because there's no way he could have done it well again. Is it influencers you have to learn from? They don't have anything to offer you now. They come to us to learn. Some of the things they teach you, they have watched our videos. Come and cram it and begin to tell you. I'm not saying it's bad, because of course you have to learn from someone too. Somebody say, you make reference to balance sheet. Have you been on my thread before? Tari Energy. How do you know that I mentioned balance sheet? Please, how does that influence price decision? And no, there's nothing. Balance sheet does not influence price decision. Balance sheet is that trading companies at the end of the month, they close their position and balance their sheet, like balancing, do audit. All of them. Closing position is that they are leaving the market. As they're leaving the market will drop. So do you understand? So those balance sheets is what any trading company does. At the end of the month, they balance their sheet. After balancing their sheet, then the market will now start going where it's supposed to go. It's like auditing. It's like when you're in the bank, you come to bank as a staff in the morning. Before you leave the place, you have to balance your record before you leave. If you didn't balance it, they allow you to leave. If you come back the next day, before they can assign any money to you, you have to balance the old one. That's how bank work, to be sure your money is not missing. So balance sheet is what companies does at the end of the month to balance their record before they continue investing in the next month. Somebody say, What strategy do you use when trading forex? I don't trade forex. See, even if I do forex, I use fundamental analysis and price actions. Yeah, and not all the time I use technical. When I used to trade forex, that forex space, I use fundamental analysis and price actions. Frequent coming live is better. Yeah, I will get a structure. I will check my timetable because this is time consuming. My manager, like I speak to you now, she's sending me a chat. She goes live 4 times a day. It's not easy, and does other things on her own page. Yeah, so I will check my schedules to know anyone that give me more money, that I will consider that. Even if this one doesn't give me, if Facebook is YouTube, if I start getting more, we start getting more sales from YouTube, then we pay attention to where we get money from. The same way, I'm so sorry, I want to say something. We pay attention to Nigerians in diaspora than Nigerians local, because Nigerians in diaspora give us more money than Nigerians local. Nigerian locals will ask you questions, and it's not their fault. Some of them may not have enough money. But they actually do. They do. None of them put money on Ponzi and CBES. They say almost one billion. Is it $1 billion or $1 million? This guy have money. But it's just that they can be like, exhausting. They can be, if you are talking to them, they can exhaust your energy. And then, okay, we have money, but sometimes the people that has money in Nigeria is not on the internet. You have to be physical. You have to be the one-on-one for that to give you money. But at diaspora, people you make use of internet. So virtual reality is more strong in diaspora than we have it. Yeah. So that's the thing. So what brought this question? What brought this question? There's something that brought this question now. Sorry, this statement. I wanted to continue with it. I am lost. There's something about it. So, in general, note we pay attention to people in diaspora. Please, is the mentorship program not ending soon? I'm still trying to arrange myself. No, very soon I will stop teaching people by myself. Our managers will take over. I don't like to teach. It's stressful, and there's no profit in it. Somebody will pay you $500 and want you to teach him for 1 month, for 6 months. Yeah. And that $500 is what you can make. Is it within an hour, safe? Unless even if you don't have big capital, you can just make that money easily. Then even if you are not a trader, if you're a cleaner in Dubai or in the UK or in Canada, a cleaner will make it in a week. A cleaner, ordinary cleaner. A cleaner is not ordinary. I'm so apologize for those who are cleaning. In case you are here, it's not that cleaner is ordinary. It's also a noble job. If you're a cleaner, you make it in 1 week, because you're paying almost less than about $15 an hour. So in a day, you could be making about £100 or $100 in a day. Times 5, that's $500. That's what somebody will pay you want to teach him for 6 months. So you see that a cleaner may even be more making more money than you that claim to be a trader. The same way when you trade, you make more money, because if you have a capital, you could just get $500 either in a day or in a couple of hours. Than to teach. That's why I don't like to teach. It's stressful. So if you want to register with us now, you can come in. Now that I'm teaching, it can be easier for you than when I'm not entirely available again. Then it can be challenging for you. This 34 minutes now, we're on live now. Let me know if you have a question so that I can end it. It's my first time. We don't have much large audience. Can end it, and I'll go and do other stuff as well. I just wanted to see how the interaction will be, and I will make sure I will be coming regularly on YouTube. Yeah. That's Chika Ode Umibo. Yeah, if you can register, if you have money, we can register you and give you a discount. Yeah. Let me know if you have a question to ask me. We are spending almost 43 minutes. In the next 2 minutes, I will end this the live. No, we spent 35 minutes, sorry, not 45 minutes. I think YouTube does not have a system that allows someone to join you live the way we have it on Instagram. Does it have it? If you're on Instagram, someone can join you live on Instagram and ask you a question directly so you could hear the person. Yeah, with just a little more publicity, the place will be full of yeah, we just a little more. Yeah, we are. Yeah, if we keep coming live regularly, people will now know that we come live, so they'll be eager, they'll be aware of our channel and can be coming there for content. So we'll be giving you educational content, also investment content, and probably entertainment content, where you can come in, you can listen to some topic and able to grab something out of it. Okay, it's me that looking for different time. My time here is 11:44. Why I've been on live for 37 minutes. Okay, that means I'm correct. Can you, cause you deliver premium value. Oh, thank you so much. Etare energy. Thank you so much. Okay, yeah. So I'm leaving you guys now. Yeah. Do have a wonderful night. I mean, go back to Instagram and stay like 15 minutes again, then end it by 12 o'clock, 15 minutes later. Enjoy the rest of your night. Bye-bye.